So let's start with what is fluid. What is fluid? It is it's it's a gas or liquid. It you can tell. Then now we will starting fluid mechanics. I hope you know the meaning of mechanics that you have studied in last time in kinematics. So let's start. What do you mean by pressure? Pressure is nothing but perpendicular force upon area. Area. Suppose if pressure is more or in knife. In pressure is more in knife so that we can cut vegetables easily. So and pressure equal to, so we can cut vegetable easily if we use not a sharp knife like bolt, like example, if we use some other thing with serving bolt area, then we can't cut vegetable that much easily. Pressure formula is force, perpendicular force upon area. Area. Let's do some numericals in this. Is find the value of force, pressure if force is suppose 20 Newton and area is 10 centimeters 10 meters square. Now find. You do that. I will give you 5 seconds. I hope it is done. So a solution it will be P equal to F by A. Now F is 20 Newton and A is 10 meters square. So it will be 20 by 10, which is equal to 2. I hope you understand. Now I will twist little bit. I will twist the question. So, if suppose in the place of meter square, centimeter square is there, and kilonewton is there, and Newton is there. Now solve. I will give you 5 seconds. It will be done by this method. See, First, you must convert 10 centimeter square into meter square. So it will be how much value of centi? It is 10 power minus 2. So 10 into less let's 10 centimeter square be x meter square, and we know the value of cent is 10 power minus 2. So we will multiply 10 power minus 2 10 power minus 2 into meter square into, so it will be x meter square. Now it will be 10 into 10 power minus 4 into meter square. So it will be x meter square. We are finding the magnitude, numerical value. So meter square get cancelled. So it will be 10 power minus 3 equal to x. So if we convert 10 centimeter square, it will be 10 power minus 3 by 8 by meter square. Meter square. So now substitute in the formula that I have told already. The answer will be 2000, 20,000 Newton. Pascal. You might make this mistake in exam. So, and I have forgot to told about Pascal. Pascal is SI unit of pressure and CCS unit is time. I hope you understood. Now next one we will do. So like this question. Next numerical. Find the pressure for the water for find the pressure of water exerted down of mass equal to 20 kg and take G as 10 meter per second square. This is the ball. here is the water, and cross section will be cross section suppose 20 centimeters square. Now find hint. Hint hint use F equal to ma and A is equal to Z. See, the answer will be. I will give you 5 seconds. After that, I will tell the answer. It will be 10 power 5 pascal. So, solution. I hope you don't need it. You know. Or for who doesn't know, I am telling. Him. We know F equal to ma according to second law of Newton of motion. Newton. So it will be 20 into 10, which is equal to 200. And so, and pressure equal to F by area, which is equal to 200 Newton by 20 into 10 power minus 4 meters square. And 0 cancel. Sorry, it's not 0. Don't do this mistake. So 0 is there. Sorry. 200 Newton. 20 get cancelled. So 10 and 10. It will be 10 power 5 pascal. Done. Now I hope you understand. Now let's move to Pascal's law. What Pascal's law tells? It tells that pressure has exalted by any point of fluid will be remains same throughout the fluid. Fluid. Its equation will be F1 by A1 equal to F2 by A2. So, or it can be like that up to Fn by An. And it's using hydraulic hydraulic plate. Hydraulic place. It's used in hydraulic place. Now, now this equation proof I will give. Suppose imagine this. This is a ball, and here some prism is there. There, and its size is negligible. Its size is negligible. So that all pressure exerted to any point will be same, and gravitation will be also same, because height will be same. So that now for your better understanding, one, two, now for your better understanding, I am drawing a bigger figure. I am not good at drawing that much. Suppose this angle is 90 and this angle be theta, and F3 will be like here. Suppose this one will be F1, F2, F3. So I can write that. I will write this point as A, B, C, D, E, and here also there. G, F. F is the solve. F is that point. Now we can write as F2 sine theta. This is hypotenuse, this is base, and this is perpendicular. So that F2 sine theta, it will be F1 F3 cos theta will be F1 now this is a prism, so that I can also sorry, I can also write that. I can also write that Sorry. Now it's fine. I can also write that E F T C is area of down or area of this one, and cos is sine theta equal to A B C D, and F3 will be A E T cos theta equal to A B C D. Now use the pressure formula. Pressure equal to F1 by sorry A sorry F1 by A F by A, perpendicular force upon area all thrust upon area. I'll leave that. So I can write that F2 by sine theta equal to F1 we know, so it will be to 1 I am writing expanding F2 by sine theta by EFCT equal to let F1 by A B C D one three. I hope you will understand. And another two in 4. We will get same F3 cos theta by AET cos theta. It is same as F1 by ABCD. Now I am erasing. I hope it will not create a problem. Now take this as A1. It is sine theta, so that it will be sine theta. Sine theta will get cancelled. Cos theta will get cancelled. Then we can write EFCD equal to A2 AED we can write as A1, and ABCD we can write it as, sorry, this one will be A3 because here we can write this as A1. Now we will, from this one we can write as F2 by A2 equal to F1 by A1 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 and this is equal to F3 by A3. Done, hence proof. Hence proof. Now suppose take this cylinder of height h, and water is filled fully, and the pressure, suppose any fluid, like example water is filled fully, and pressure at this point is P1, pressure at this point is P2. P2 F1, and water mass is a total mass up to here is same, so that I can write it as P2 equal to P2 F1 F2 equal to F1 plus weight of the water, which is MC. I hope you know. You have studied in kinematics. So, and the area of closed section suppose be A, and here also hence this is cylinder, and this density let be low. And volume be V. So let's divide it by area. Area equal to F1 by A plus mg by A. And M we can write it as rho into B. So F2 by A equal to F1 by A plus N will be rho into V into Z by A. And we know the area of we know the volume of a cylinder, which will be pi r square or h, and area it is pi r square. So we can get height. So equal to h. So we can get height here. And if you try it by any other shape, the formula you will get the same. And F2 by A can be written as P2, F1 by A can be written as P1. It will be low HC. So P2 minus P1 equal to H low Z. Hence proof. And this concept is known as gauge pressure. P2 minus P1 is gauge, also called gauge pressure. I hope you understood this class. If you like this class, you can subscribe with our channel, and also you can get notification. Can click on notify photo.